Want to control your computer with Claude? Let me show you how, with just a few commands. Step 1 is simple: install Open Interpreter using pip. Just type pip install Open Interpreter and hit enter. Next, start the interpreter with system-level access by running Interpreter OS. This allows Claude, Anthropic's intelligent assistant, to seamlessly interact with your computer, whether it's a Mac or a Windows PC. Works on both. Now, let's jump into a quick demo. Imagine you're low on budget but still want to automate tasks. Well, Open Interpreter's got your back. Check this out. Here, I'm asking Claude to help me apply to a job. First, it takes a screenshot of the desktop. Then opens my resume, reads the questions, and provides answers. All in one flow. Once it gets to the career page, Claude can automatically navigate, click the open roles, and even save screenshots at each step. You see, it seamlessly identifies open departments and roles and makes sure every step is captured. Talk about robotic process automation on a budget. From finding open positions to saving each screenshot, and finally clicking Apply Now, it automates it all. Imagine doing this with Open Interpreter and the latest Claude Sonnet model from Anthropic. I'm really looking forward to seeing this work with open source vision language models too. The possibilities are endless. Check out Open Interpreter on GitHub for more details. Links are in the description. And a big shout out to the original post on X for sparking this idea. The link's below too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome AI content. Have fun automating, and I'll catch you in the next one.